Hey everybody, it's the Ileana Farmer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you something a little different, I guess. I haven't done anything cattle related in any of my videos yet. So this morning, my parents are out of town for a few days. So I come over to their house of a morning, do all the cattle chores and things like that, because this is where we keep all of our show cattle and things like that. So we've got a pasture where we run them when they're not here in the summertime, but in the fall we move them home, and in the wintertime we move them as they're getting ready to calve, so that way my dad can check them at all hours of the night and keep an eye on them. So anyways, long story short, Ron does most of the cattle chores of a morning at his place, and I check cows over towards the shop over at my house. So this morning I'm just going to show you guys kind of what goes on and show you what it takes to take care of some livestock. Do you really call yourself a farmer if you have a farm truck that doesn't look like that? We're ready for anything. Get some feed out of the barn and we will go feed some cattle. Every farmer's got a junk pile, right? And this is where we keep the John Deeres, out of sight, so nobody thinks we actually run John Deere equipment. It's not fancy, but it works. Some fresh cut hay bales. We'll feed those in the winter. Okay guys, so we're in the show barn here, or calving barn, whatever you would like to call that. You can see we got fans everywhere. Here, where am I at? Oh my gosh. There, and there, wherever. So we've got these pens that run outside the barn. We can bring those calves in the summertime when it's really hot, and they can stay under these fans in the shade of this barn. So if you're a cow, it doesn't get much better than the show cattle industry side of things, just because we treat them just like you would your dog or your pet. You know, we bring them in, fresh water, food every day. They're in the underneath the fans and that. What are you stinkers doing? Later. Would you quit jacking around? Hope my phone does not go in here. Clean water. Hey, get out of there. Good morning, ladies. Is that good? Dang it, this happens all the time. Good morning, ladies. Enjoy your brunch. That's the best way to tell if a cow's happy. If you see the tail moving back and forth and their nose has a lot of feed all over it and they're fighting one another to eat more, they're really in a good mood then. So that's pretty much it for the cattle side of the farm on this morning over here at my mom and dad's house. There's not a ton of cattle over here, but we're getting ready to start weaning calves off. It's getting to be later July now, so into early fall we'll start selling all these, and we'll sell some of them now. So that's just what it takes to feed and water this amount of head of cattle at my mom and dad's. But you got to do this stuff every morning before you go do any of the crop and hauling corn and any of that stuff. This is all done before you can do that, and then when you're done doing that for the day, you get to come back and do this again. So it's always busy. It's when you put livestock into any farming operation, it's not a, well, you know, I'll haul corn today or I might not haul corn today. It's not. You're feeding cattle, you're watering cattle every single day of the year, 365 days of the year. So livestock it's fun, but it's busy. I mean, it's a lot busier than the row crop side of things, in my opinion. So it's just, you got to take care of something. You know, you can stick a piece of corn out in the field and watch it grow, and you go, hey, see ya, we'll come to you next fall, combine you. No, you got to make sure they're not getting out, work on fence, feed, water, check for heats, breed, rebreed if they didn't stick, you know, help with if they need help calving. You just always moving cattle, looking at cattle, fixing fence, one thing after the other. So I hope you guys like this video. There will be more cattle videos to come. I just haven't had the time to get those incorporated with hauling corn this month. So I just got that done, so we'll get some other videos other than just normal day-to-day farming stuff. I'll start switching things up now because my days are going to change. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, comment below what you think. I like commenting back and forth with everyone. I've had some people do that, and I really like seeing what they like about the video, don't like, or just interesting things, or how they farm, or things like that. So that's the easiest way I can communicate with you guys, or, you know, change things up or show you certain things. So comment, please comment, give her a thumbs up. We're gonna go get to work. We'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.